Hello everyone, take a section from the top and make a braid out of it. Take 2 more sections right underneath it and then using the braid as one of the sections, make a braid right underneath it. At the bottom, make another braid. Add some decorative flowers to it and loosen it using your fingers. Take a section of the top, make a braid out of it. Now join it with the rest of the hair, make a braid at the bottom and then add multiple rubber bands. Take a section from the front, add multiple rubber bands and sections on the side. Make a section at the back and the middle, tie a braid to it, roll it up into a bun. Take a section from the front, make 2 sections out of it and then begin to twist one over the other. As you progress with this, begin to twist more and more. You may also make a braid out of it. Once you are done, join it to the ponytail at the back, make it into a braid and make a bun. Take a section of the top and then make a braid out of it. At the bottom, divide the hair into 2 sections and then wrap it around the braid. Roll it in on itself, tighten it and then tie a rubber band. Take a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Make a braid at the bottom. Make 2 more sections, 2 more braids underneath it. Take a section of the hair from the front and then underneath it make 2 more sections. Now begin to braid the hair. As you progress with the braid, include more and more sections of the hair into this braid. Take a section from the front, braid the hair. Divide the back into 2 sections and then make a braid at the back. Make a ponytail on one of the sides and then divide it into 2 sections. Add a rubber band in the middle, pull the other section through, lift it up. It should look like a bow as such. Take a section from the front, tie a rubber band to it. Tie another rubber band right underneath it. Begin to braid the hair and then as you braid the hair, include more and more sections into it. Tie a ponytail at the bottom. Take a section from the top, tie a rubber band to it, roll the hair in on itself. Add multiple rubber bands at the back as well. Make a braid at the bottom. Make 2 braids of 2 sections at the top. Now using these 2 braids as a section, begin to braid the hair. Include more and more sections of the hair into this braid as you progress. Join the 2 at the back. Take a section from the front and then begin to braid the hair. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it. Tie a ponytail at the back, braid the bottom and roll it up as such. Wrap the braid around it. Divide the hair into 4 sections. Taking the upper section, make a ponytail out of it and roll the hair in on itself. Make a braid at the bottom and then make 2 braids at the top. Roll it upwards and tie it up as such. Take the front section of the hair and then make a braid out of it. Add more and more sections into this braid as you progress with it. Tie a ponytail at the back. Make 2 braids out of it and roll it about. Divide the hair into 4 sections. In the front, make a braid. At the back, make a bow-shaped ponytail and roll the braid into it. Braid the bottom as well. Make 3 sections at the top. Divide the middle section into 2 parts. Join them as such, make a braid at the bottom and then roll it up as such. Add a rubber band in the middle. Make a braid at the top and then roll it up and join it, braid at the back. You will be making a fishtail braid. Roll it up into a bun. Thank you for watching.